3 civic officials have been arrested on murder charges after a 55-year-old man, Jafar Khan, was beaten to death when he objected to civic officials taking pictures of women defecating in the open. The incident happened in Rajasthan's Pratapgarh when civic officials had gone to the Bagwas Kachi Basti as part of the campaign against open defecation. The team allegedly tried to take pictures of the women defecating in the open. Jafar, a local workers' union leader, reached the spot and had an argument with the civic officials, including the Nagar Parishad Commissioner Ashok Jain, which turned into a scuffle. The police complaint filed by Jafar's brother Noor Muhammad alleges that he was kicked and beaten with lathis. He died in hospital.
दिन से सब लोगों को रोक रहे, डब्बे ढोल रहे, फोटो खींच रहे गंदे गंदे, पता मेरे अब्बा रोकने गए उनको कि ऐसे नहीं करना है, ऐसे शौचालय बना दो सबके घरों घर, तो कोई बाहर नहीं जाएगा, इसलिए बाहर नहीं जाएगा तो अब्बा को मारपीट करने लगा, पेट पे मारा, सर पर भी मारा बहुत तेज कि अब्बा के सर पे लगी तो अब्बा की डेथ हो गई और वहाँ हॉस्पिटल गए इतने में तो डेथ हो गई अब्बा की।
नगर परिषद की टीम गई थी अपने कच्ची बस्ती में, जो खुले में शौचालय जो जाते हैं, खुले में शौच जाते हैं, उनको समझाइश करने के लिए गई थी और वहाँ वाले लोगों से इनका कोई आपस में झगड़ा हो गया और झगड़े में जफर नाम की व्यक्ति की डेथ हो गई और उसकी डेड बॉडी यहाँ हॉस्पिटल में अभी, और अभी इनसे बातचीत चल रही, समझाइश चल रही है डेड बॉडी डिस्पोजल के बारे में, और इस संबंध में इनकी तरफ से जो मुकदमा है वो 302 में दर्ज कर लिया है।
And joining me is Harsha for the same. Harsha, also, like, 3 people have been arrested, but it also highlights another concern that a lot of funds have been siphoned for, to build toilets. But what's the infrastructure like? How many have been built, and the ones that are built, how many of those are usable?
Well, yes, that was exactly the problem, in fact, in this Kachi Basti, where a community toilet was built, but it was unusable. And not just Zafar, who took up cudgels on this entire issue, but even other women, even today, are telling us that those toilets are unusable, they can't use it, and they are forced to go out into the open for defecation. Now, what really, I think, led to this what triggered this entire conflagration was the fact that it was an overdrive of this entire issue, workers blowing whistles, running behind them, throwing away the water when these women went out. This is what the women are claiming. So that they felt was a little much and they objected to that. And when Zafar Khan had in fact earlier also written a letter, he'd issued a press release. He's a member of the CPI ML in Pratapgarh, and he'd issued a press release and he talked about this and said that this will not be tolerated, the way the sanitation workers are behaving. So this really led to the confrontation, and in this entire issue that happened with these people attacking him, he suffered grievous injuries and died. Now the police have registered a case of culpable homicide not amounting to murder. 5 people have been named in the FIR, of which 3 have been taken into custody. And the questioning is still on. I spoke to the SP a little while ago. So he said they will investigate the entire matter because apparently, according to them, sanitation workers were also injured in the scuffle that followed. So till the entire matter is not investigated, they will not clearly say what arrests have been made or not in this issue. This is just 5 minutes ago that I spoke to the SP of Pratapgarh.